Hi guys, I'm in.
We're gonna show you guys exactly what we do.
I'm in Pennsylvania, PA, and we're in the Poconos. Is
You're
it
gonna get
called the
copyrighted,
Poconos or
Chelsea.
Poconos?
You're gonna. That's here.
Huh?
Oh, that's AJ.
You're so racist.
AJ!
My dad is just as dark as him. Like,
I swear when he walked by, I'm like, that's not that. Oh.
Hey, do you want?
I got that on camera.
No, bro.
You're so racist, bro. That's crazy.
What's your name?
My name is Elijah.
Yes.
Processor, bro.
It's non-existent. Non-existent.
You got powdered garlic right now.
Now you're wet. It don't even matter.
No, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
The pole came out.
Do it again. Do it again.
Through the left-hand tunnel, he's gonna wave you through to make sure that it's.
Out in Pennsylvania.
Right there, just go on it. Fuck it. And that I'm not racing. No, I got race depression. Post-race depression.
FOMO. Nikki was supposed to race this car by getting in tires on time. Apparently. Next time.
Okay, she just parked there real quick. I don't know.
What
up, Chelsea? How are you?
Good.
You guys got here mad late. You guys are like 5 minutes away.
Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday, October 5th. It's like my 9th day here on the East Coast. I have 2 days left until I go back home to Seattle. And today we're gonna go-karting.
Something's wrong with the Did you get the fastest lap? Did you get the fastest lap? I can do that.
interesting looking Honda.
We might need a technical shot when we get out there.
Oh, is that from YouTube channel?
Yeah, this is a YouTube channel.
What up,
Say hi,
YouTube?
guys.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. What up? Welcome to the East Coast. Honda Collective in Harlem, New York, 2024.
Case swap.
K24.
Oh my god.
So automatic trans is bigger. So we had the. This is not the finished product. This is just to hold the subframe for it. We're gonna obviously make it tubular, and then another bracket down here, and then the motor mount. Customer just wanted automatic, so and then we're gonna include AC, power steering just for him. Full paint. I don't know what he wants to do with the interior though, but that's what he came with.
There were Carl in there, some Japanese dude.
Yeah, we're gonna hook it up though. This one, it was white. Customer wanted to change the color, so we just did a wrap for him real quick. BBSL lens, big brake kit, rear poster, the whole interior. OEM GT3 rear bumper, APR big wing, and OEM fenders with the GT3 flares on it. And we got new wheels for it. We got new exhaust and everything like that. Then we're gonna rewrap the car the same color because it's a his and hers. His wife has the same color cable. Supercharge. We just gotta do all the studs on it, bearings and a bunch of stuff like that. Case swap, supercharge. And it's K20 turbo V-mount.
That's sick.
So it's a Schmuck built intercooler, Vibrant sponsor. Fabrication we did all here. So we did an outlet right here, like a teardrop. Kind of flows with the body line. For right hand drive.
Oh my gosh. What's in there?
2K twin turbo. We kept the twins with a V-mount setup, so not everybody does a V-mount setup with twins on. is also sponsored by Vibrant and all that good stuff too.